and a little bit of everything from Betty. We're gonna do a couple of things here. We're gonna, I'm gonna show you how to change a battery on a watch. This is pretty much a standard watch. It's a water resistant watch. It's one of my wife's many watches. And to save a couple of bucks, I kind of decided, hey, let's start changing our battery. And I've been doing that for my watches and her watches. Basically, you're gonna need is you're gonna need a bunch of batteries. Each watch definitely usually takes a different battery, but I've noticed and checking it out, most of the batteries that you need are this type of batteries. Okay, all watches. I mean, 95% of them. There are 377 watches batteries. Okay, and this is the size. Okay. All you do is just go on Amazon, you can get about 12 of them for $6, real cheap. Okay? And you go over there, and also a good thing to have, you might want to do because you can use this for future things for shorting. You could do this in a couple of things, shorting links, which is great, instead of taking them somewhere to do. And we'll do a video on that one because I did that when my beautiful wife bought me a Rolex. I was real happy about that. Okay? It was one of them. Okay? And took the links off, and it was kind of cool. Instead of spending $300 on the Rolex deal. But that'll be another video. Okay, so basically, take the batteries off. Okay, you're gonna find a little notch. Get a little screwdriver, probably the smallest one. You generally find a little notch on the side. Okay, and it varies on the watch, but you can feel it. Just kind of slide it out, and you'll get it. And this one is right here. There you go. You just go like that, and it pops right out. There's the watch. And like I told you, without even knowing, there's the battery, there's the other battery. Same basic battery, okay? Alright, so, put it there, take the battery out. Be careful with the mechanism, just kind of snap the battery back out. Okay? Take it out, make sure you put the other one there, put the new one in, pretty cool. And be careful with it, and take your time. Pops right in. Okay, that's in. Now to put this back in, okay, you're gonna have to find the notch. You can see a little notch right there that generally goes the section where you change the time. Put that back in. Right there. They sell tools for this so you can snap it back on, but this is pretty simple. You could always go like that, just get a cup you want, and this one's pretty simple. Just tap it. You heard that? Snap right in. And this is not a watch that you're gonna take go diving on or anything like that. It's just for looks, and my wife likes it, and so gotta keep her happy. Folks, there you go. My pleasure. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. Take care.